Hello everyone, Jeff with a greenerview. This pretty plant is called the False Aralia, or the Spider Aralia, or the thread-leafed Aralia. Now, it's a problem sometimes to have common names that vary so much, but this plant has also had botanical names that have varied. It's been known as the Schefflera elegantissima, the Aralia elegantissima, and currently the really great sounding Disigotheca elegantissima. All three of those botanic names had the elegant term in there, and it is a really nice, elegant type of plant. It is a nice formal looking plant, even though it's loose at the same time. It has very few insect or disease problems that would interfere and make it into a problem plant. It's native originally to islands northeast of Australia that are now called the New Caledonia Islands. Those islands have what we would consider room temperature temperatures. So this plant will do fine indoors year-round. Now it does like to be outside in the summertime and get a bright light under the shade of a tree. It can grow in a bright window indoors. It doesn't go in the deep shade of the house in a windowless room unless there's some bright overhead lighting. It does like to dry out a little bit in the soil, so that when the plant is being watered, you can wait until the top 1 inch or so dry out before you do it again. So it doesn't have to remain moist all the time like many of our houseplants. It does like high humidity. It's grown because of its lacy, ferny look. It doesn't have flowers that are all that attractive. It does flower white flowers in the summer, but it's not grown for those. It's grown for this lacy and ferny leaf that is really attractive. Thank you for watching all the way till the end of this False Aralia video. I gave that plant away, and I've already done videos on the Thanksgiving cactus and the crinums that you're going to want to watch. Because you're so interested in plants, I'm going to give you $30 off the price of the Greenerview gardening book. This book was written for plant people like you. Use the discount code Aralia until the last day of February 2023 and click on the Greenerview link in the description below. I release a new gardening video every Friday at noon. The videos fit into the playlists that follow the chapters of the Greenerview gardening book. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss a single new video, including the fascinating time-lapse flower videos that come out on the first day of every month. If you really like plants, check out the playlists and you'll learn a lot more about plants. Thanks for watching.